Alright, this is a review on that 90s show on Netflix from The Wolf. No, I don't have any, scenes. It's funny. You will be ready to laugh. But here's one thing I have to say. Be aware, these are 90s skits. I know, yeah, that storyline, it sounds more like grudge. Similar to what Fabano would do. Same weirds, but more like grudge beat. Yeah. Another thing, when you watch it, be aware. Red is bad. The the grandma's bad. Yeah. You will see cameos from that 70s show, Big Vlog. I give the show a 10 out of 10. It is funny, yes. Red Foreman is always funny. With his snark out comments and shit. I'm sorry if I'm cursing, no I'm not. But he will always be funny. If they gave it more episodes than just 10, I would be more happy than the first season. But that's what they do on Netflix. Maybe they should have some guest stars on the second season. From the 90s. Like example, Vanilla Ice. Well, he was a big deal in the 90s. Don't get mad at me for saying it. Maybe MC Hammer just made fun of him. But he's bald now. Weird Al. What else can I think of? Alice Cooper, he was still making music back then. But again, he was already on that 70s show. Yeah. So when you really think of it, please watch that 90s show. And then they do have a 7th season. Have some guest stars, please. Ho, ho, this is the Wolf.